But it is his rookie, and you tell how a rookie is. It'll say our.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back? Why would you ever come back? Oh, I'm judging you. But I'm sure glad you did. What's sold on eBay? First thing is this Nike driver. Actually, Nike 3-wood. 15-degree loft. Pretty standard. It's a pretty nice driver. Good shape. The top's good. No scratches. The surface there is good. It is a... What kind of flex is it? It's a stiff flex. You can tell by the S here. The regular flex would be an R. Nice graphite shaft. The original Nike grip. It's 3-wood, standard 42.5 inch long. Those are all things you need to put in the listing when you do it. And it's got a really nice head cover that's in great shape, actually. I had it up for $59.95. I sent out an offer for $54.95. Someone countered with $49.95, and I took it. I got this. I bought a whole Callaway set for $110. I've sold the ping putter for I forget, $60. I sold this for $50, and so it pays for the entire lot. And if I remember right, there was something else in there, another driver. I'll have to go back and look at that garage sale. And so I've almost made money. I at least got my money back, not quite with the fees. And I get to keep all the clubs, which I love. They're Callaway Fusions, and they're great clubs. So, you know, sometimes a lot of us do that, is we'll buy something to keep part of it and sell the rest. I did that with cards too. Next thing that sold was these promo cards. One's Toy Story 3. Comes out June 18th. It's still wrapped in the package. And Shark Slayer? I don't even know what it is. I got this in a bundle lot last fall from a guy, or last summer, from a guy who deals with mostly toys, and he couldn't do his normal thing of going to conferences, or I forget what he called it, toy shows. And so he was putting out these bundles, and I've made a bunch of money on all that stuff. And this sold for $8.95 plus shipping on top, so it was a good sale, weighing the profit on those. And this was a card that a lot of people are looking for right now. It's Shohei Ohtani. He is a fantastic baseball player. He's really underrated. I'm not going to grade stuff that's not chrome, special cards. It's pretty sharp though. I mean, you can grade if you want to. But it is his rookie, and you tell how a rookie is. It'll say RC if people don't know. And he is very unique because he's from Japan, but he throws right-handed, and he's 6'4", remember, 6'3", 189. He throws 100, I think he's hit 102 miles an hour on his fastball, and that's weird for him, a starter. Most times starters don't throw that hard. Maybe it's just over 100. Either way, doesn't matter. That's impressive. And he's got a bunch of good pitches. Plus, he is a fantastic batter. He might even be a better batter than he is a pitcher. And he bats left-handed, and he hits the ball to left center, to center, to right center. So he doesn't just try to pull the ball. He's a disciplined, really powerful hitter. And he plays really good outfield. If he wants, he used to play right field for his team in Japan. I mean, this guy's good. He steals bases. What pitcher bats good and steals bases? It's pretty incredible. And he got hurt last year, or maybe it was the year before. So he's back now. He blew out his elbow, if I remember right. And he's performed really good in spring training. He's performed really good already in the majors, and started this beginning of this year. So people are looking for his card. I also have a Topps Chrome up, and so you know, it's good to pay attention to what's hot and inside of your group. And this is, I got this on a YouTube auction. People tell you not to buy YouTube auctions and stuff, but I got a whole binder full of things. And this is just, this almost, I think I paid 40 or 50 bucks for the binder, and this sold for $34.95. I'll have to look again, maybe it's $39. And I've got 3 Luka Doncic's, I don't know how you say his last name, rookies, and one of them's listed, and I've got it listed for 119, and they sell for 100, and I've got 2 other ones I haven't even listed yet. You don't want to list, you don't want to have a bunch of competition, you don't want to make your own competition on there, and so you want it to look more scarce than it is. And there's hardly any up there. I don't know if there's any other up there. And there's all kinds of other cards I got there. So I've got about $500 in cards on 50 or less that I paid for it. So, you know, if you know a certain subject, and it's fun to be listing on eBay and then watching some of these auctions, because there might be 50 people in there and I might be the only one that knows anything about the auctions. So, you know, I guess everybody got something different to play with, but I buy breaks too, so I get so many good deals on cards anymore. And you can buy breaks on eBay. Just search for Chiefs breaks, and it'll show you what's ending first. And the best way to do that is to watch what they're going for and then bid very end, similar to what they usually go for, and you'll get some. It's fun. It's like being a little kid again. But for me, Goodwills here I have a retail store, so I don't have the bins. I've only got 2 Goodwills, and they've almost doubled in price on most things. Some of those things that I never bought, like CDs and DVDs and video games, the same prices, but they're never any good ones. And like boots and stuff went from like $6 to $8 to now it's like 14 for everything. They even changed the stickers on everything, so they've completely changed. Now it's the same prices as the DAV and what's the other one? Red Cross, Salvation Army. And so I've gotten to where I drive in there, taking the time to go do that when I could have listed $100 worth of stuff that I have already. Doesn't make any sense. And so sometimes when I'm out about and have nothing else to do and I'm close to it, I'll go to the thrift stores. But anymore, I've kind of gone away from it. There for the last 6 months, I was still buying stuff at the Goodwills because I wouldn't really flip things, but I would buy stuff for my business and throw some stuff that I could put in Goodwill. I mean, in my booths, because of the not having to ship it. You can actually get more money in your booths than you can on eBay. But you know, to each their own, and got to find out what's best ways to source for you. But grind on, friends.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.